people, Jjackson here with a new video. So in today's video I wanted to discuss with you guys 5 products that I got from Collabortive, and I'm so excited. 1 is a repeat, 2 are new scents that I have never gotten from Collabortive before, and the other one is a new item. So let's get started with the video. These gloves here, let's talk about these gloves. Well, this is a repeat, and when it's a repeat that means it's something that I really like. And it's durable. These are durable. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the texture there. Then if you look at this here, I love that because that prevents the water from getting inside of your gloves. You can look at the inside there. Wonderful. These were in a size medium large is what I ended up getting. I should have gotten another pair because these are wonderful. This is my second time ordering these because the last time I ended up ordering these gloves was about this time last year. And it was my very first time getting anything from Collaborative. And so I ended up buying these gloves, and here it is, only my second time just repurchasing these, because at the top here it started, developing just a small little hole. And so that wasn't too good. I wasn't too happy. Teardrop there for sure. But anyway, I ended up getting these gloves and I love them. So my next item is this face and body scrub. I always like getting new items, and this was something that I saw on their website. I'll put the prices down at the bottom so you guys can see how much I paid for them. But this one, it even fights breakouts even after you rinse. Isn't that always a plus? So yes, I'm going to try this out and see. Has like a fruity, botanical, if that's even the smell, scent to it, but I'll let you guys see the inside there. You guys can see like a little dot right there of how it looks on the inside. Yeah, I will be using this plenty on my face and the body for sure. Nice. Look at that. Ooh-wee. You're going to see how that works. I'm just testing it. Testing. 1, 2, 3. And look at that there. Nice scent. Well, we're going to get this all rinsed off and see how it feels. Alright, so I am back, and of course you can't see anything, but it feels really nice and smooth. It really does. So I know that this will be something that I will probably try and repeat to. I'll probably repeat to get this item here because I love the way it feels. This item also is 100% vegetarian. It's always a plus too for all those people out there that don't want to put any type of things on their body. And my next item here is the heavy duty degreaser. Wanted to try this out. This is a new item for me, so I want to see how well it degreases. Anyway, this item here, like I said, I will put the prices to all the items down below here so you all can see how much they cost. And it is in the scent lemongrass. Love the nozzle, always easy to be used. And it also breaks down grease, splatter, and burnt messes. Number 4 on the list is this item here. This isn't a new product for me, but the scent is new. So I thought I would try this, and I believe that this item was on sale, and that was one of the major reasons why I ended up getting this item, because it was on sale and I hadn't had the scent before. I believe this is more like a fall scent, so yeah. brings back memories of the fall for sure. And here we are in winter. But anyway, yes, this was something that I wanted to get. The multi-purpose surface cleaner here is for everyday use. So it's always a plus to have this around in the house. So I will be using this item. And my last item is the dish soap here. The product is not new, but the scent is new, just like the multi-surface cleaner that I ended up purchasing. This item was also on sale, and probably because it's out of season. So I ended up getting this at a discounted price because of it. It's the acorn spice scent, and so I thought, why not? I love it when things smell like home. Things that have a scent of food cooking. For some reason I like food scents. And so anything like vanilla, spices, cinnamon. I like fall scents, I really do. Some winter scents, but for the most part, I really like to have fall scents. Let's put it this way. I really enjoy having the fall scent in my house throughout the year. Even if it's not fall, that is a plus for me because I hope that you enjoy what you have seen. Make sure you give my video a thumbs up. Be sure to comment to let me know if you like the video or not. And also, I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.